This project actually started out over 18 years ago, and working with the Port of San Diego to achieve a permanent home for the San Diego Symphony. We were taking a public park setting and changing that into a performance venue. Inherently, that had never been done before on the coastline of California. We took a look at the urban fabric of San Diego from the waterside as well as from downtown, but then to our neighboring communities as well. And we took a look at how they would see this shell and how they would interact with the shell as it started to establish a new point of interest along the waterfront.
With Tucker Sadler Architects and the team, we have been working together for many years, actually doing some master planning work for the city of San Diego. And the Rady Shell was at the center of a long boulevard expression of light. Through that process, actually with the master planning work that we've been doing in the city, as well as the work for this particular venue, we understood that this was a park for the whole community, and they wanted to be able to make use of the park into the evening and be able to feel safe and welcome in the park. And so that engagement with the community and all of the aspirations of connecting with the arts, but also being able to use it as a park, was all a part of what we heard from the community and really set our goals for what we were trying to accomplish.
We went out to promoters. We got the size of the performance shell that they would require, and we expanded it. We used the Fibonacci number sequence of the Nautilus shell to shape the shell so it had a natural feel to it. Working with Fabritecture, we used a roll steel structure. Then they also helped us with the fabric that was utilized for the shell. It gives us the ability to put expressions of light on the shell when performances are not in the venue.
We worked closely to specify products that met durability needs of the project. Being right next to salt water, we wanted to make sure that they were marine rated, along with figuring out how to properly integrate all of these fixtures into the architecture. Most intensively, that was obviously with the shell structure and the system of lighting that we laid out there to act as a canvas. We worked closely with many subcontractors and other trades to make sure the fixtures could be properly integrated, that they would have proper mounting points, and we would be able to achieve the array of the pattern of dots in the same way that we had conceived.
We wanted to be a great environment for everyone, and we didn't want it to become something that was either a light nuisance or a noise nuisance. So those are the two major factors that had to be addressed in this from an environmental standpoint.
The state of California has a fundamental framework through Cal Green that really does require lighting installations to consider their context. What was amazing about this project was the concerted effort to then go above and beyond to integrate lighting carefully and thoughtfully into architecture. Probably most significant design consideration was around the color of light and really looking at how we can minimize the spectral impacts on migrating birds. We were actually able to craft some requirements. It set boundaries in which the lighting can operate. And so it's something that from an outsider's perspective looking in, we want them to see this luminous celebration of the place that we're designing together in this collaborative sense, and not necessarily realize that we've gone through these bounding efforts to design it within these constraints.
It took a community, a coastal commission, a number of experts from around the world in environmental sciences, and of course passionate architects, lighting designers, and constructors to make this all come to fruition. So we're grateful for that incredible esprit de corps that helped it all come together.